Hi guys, today is day 3 and we talk about 3 parameters that influence your sample size the most. The first one is effect size. So effect size is basically the magnitude of difference that you're trying to measure. What does that mean? It is basically the change which is brought about by the intervention or the variable that you're trying to study. Now, how are you going to know about this when you've not even started with your study? Good question, which is why this is calculated from a previous reference article, which is why your statistician is even asking for a reference article because he's going to measure it from that reference article. So now you know. Second, alpha level, not alpha error, alpha level. Alpha level is what keeps alpha error in check. So what does that mean? It means that if you tested positive of COVID while you didn't have COVID actually, that's type 1 error. So alpha level is going to keep that in check. Lastly, power of the study, which means that you will be able to measure an effect if it really was there, and if it wasn't, you will be able to tell that too. To put it in simple terms, if a vaccine for COVID worked, if a study has the correct power set, it will be able to measure that, and if it didn't work, it will be able to measure that correctly also. I hope this helps. And of course, how do these variables affect your sample size? Well, effect size and alpha level are inversely related to sample size, and power of the study is directly related to sample size.